Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to bring voice typing to the keyboard of our phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and see here is there any voice typing symbol. There is no voice typing symbol in the keyboard itself. If you would like to get a voice typing symbol, yes, you can do it. What you got to do, just go to the settings of your phone first, then go to system management. And here tap on languages and input, and here select on screen keyboard, and here go to manage on screen keyboards and tap on Gboard, and here go to voice typing. Just click on it, and if it is turned off, you should not have that voice typing symbol in the keyboard itself. So you have to make sure that this button is turned on, and go back and go to the typing interface and see here voice typing symbol is showing. This is the voice typing symbol. If you click on it, if you give permission, you can get voice, that is voice typing. What you are speaking, that will be displaying here. So in this way, you can easily enable voice typing symbol to your keyboard of your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.